Hi, in this video, we have to determine if this function is odd. The function is q of x equals 1 over x minus x. Let's go ahead and go through this very carefully. Solution. So recall a function f is odd if you have the following: f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. And this has to be true for all x in the domain of the function. So in this case, there would be every x except 0, because 0 is not in the domain of q of x. So to check if it's odd, we basically start by replacing x with negative x. So we have q of negative x, and that's equal to, and then just go here and replace all of your x's with negative x. It's 1 over negative x minus, and then replace this one with negative x. So this is equal to, well, 1 over negative x. So we can write that as negative 1 over x, because you can put the negative outside. And then negative and negative is positive, so plus x. So we want this to be equal to negative q of x, right, if it's going to be odd. So what we can do now is factor out a negative 1. So this is equal to, pulling out a negative 1 times parentheses. So if we pull out a negative 1 from this first term, we're just going to have 1 over x. And if we pull out a negative 1 from this piece here, well, in order for this to work, this has to become a minus x. And you should definitely check negative 1 times 1 over x is negative 1 over x. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. And this is awesome because this is q of x. So this is equal to negative q of x. So we have that q of negative x is equal to negative q of x. And this is true for all x in the domain of the function. So in this case, the answer is yes, the function is odd. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there. Good luck.